So this is the Perego Siesta high chair. We've had it for 3.5 years now. We had it with our first child, Sloan, and now we're using it with Theon. We love it. We went with the Siesta model because of this seat cover. It's really durable and you can wipe it off, unlike cloth. It doesn't have any staining. We also went with the dark color to hide any potential stains. We also love this 5-point harness system. This harness comes completely apart, so it's really easy to get baby in and out, and it just slides right in to each other. So it's really nice. It is also very adjustable, so whatever height your table is, or if you're trying to feed baby on the floor, you can literally slide it up and down to meet whatever height need that you have. And it also has, and that's on the back side, there's 2 levers that I'm holding. It also has a stop and go button right at the top here, and it says go or stop. So the stop holds it in place so it can't be moved. So if baby is trying to kick away from the table, it stops him from doing that. Or for me, Sloan likes to try and pull in on Theon's high chair while he's eating, so it stops her from doing that. And it just slides. And then on the back side, as you can see, there's a little spot for the tray to sit. And this tray is a double tray. So the top just comes off and you can go and wash this in the sink once it's dirty instead of taking the entire tray and washing it. So that's really handy. This adjusts as well. There's just levers on the side here. So it really grows as your baby grows. The harness is adjustable right here. And then best thing, if you have company over, no kids, you can store this very easily. There's 2 red buttons here on the back, and it folds up just like that. And you can put it right in your closet. On the back side, there is this little mesh here that you can hold the bibs or spoons. So that is the Perego Siesta model high chair.